Pear jam is one of the most unique and appealing types of jam, and thanks to its amazing aroma and flavor, it has many fans. Hello and welcome to Cooking with Mahtab channel. Stay with me to make a perfect and delicious jam from start to finish. To begin, wash your pears thoroughly and dry them. For making jam, it's better to use firmer pears so they keep their shape. If the pears are too ripe, they'll get mushy and turn into puree. I'm using half a kilo of pears. If your pears have thick skin, peel them. Otherwise, it's enough to just quarter them. Then cut them into relatively large cubes. This is completely up to your preference. Be sure to remove the pear seeds. Carefully place the freshly chopped pears into a suitable cooking pot. For this particular quantity of pears, you will certainly require 300 grams of granulated sugar. Gently add the sugar to the pot as well, along with 1 full glass of water. Now, all you need to do is close the lid of the pot and leave it in the refrigerator or at room temperature for at least 5 to 6 hours so it releases its juice. After the specified time, place the pot on medium-high heat and let it come to a boil. When it starts boiling around the edges, lower the heat. Let it simmer for 30 to 40 minutes so your jam thickens and becomes ready. Do not cover the pot at all because closing the lid will cause your jam to darken in color. After 50 minutes of cooking, add 6 cardamom pods that you've pierced with a knife to release their aroma. This cardamom will give your jam a heavenly fragrance and flavor. You can also use ground cardamom. Now, half an hour has passed since your jam started cooking and it has become thicker. If you like, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of brewed saffron. This will make both the taste and color of your jam even more amazing. After 35 minutes, pour some of the jam into a small bowl and place it in the freezer for 2 to 3 minutes so it cools quickly and you can test its thickness. In the meantime, add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to prevent the jam from crystallizing and molding, along with 1 tablespoon of rose water. When you take the bowl out of the freezer and, as shown in the video, it has a honey-like consistency, or if you test it between your fingers and it feels stretchy, that means it has reached the right thickness. Turn off the heat. Then let it cool completely at room temperature in the kitchen. After it has completely cooled, pour it into completely dry jars and store them in the refrigerator. You've made the most delicious pear jam. I hope you enjoyed this video as well. Thank you very much for graciously staying with me until the very end of this presentation.